You don't suck at discipline. You're not just anxious. You're running a loop and you don't even know it right now. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You swear this time's different. You're going to stick with the gym, the business, the relationship. And a few weeks later, you're back where you started. Motivation's gone, excuses are piling up, and you're left thinking, what the hell went wrong with me there? That's not weakness. That's not laziness. That's a loop. You've been sold the idea that clarity is some lightning bolt. You just find yourself one day and everything lines up. The reality check, clarity is not an epiphany. Clarity is a tool, a blade. You use it to cut through repetition and see the pattern for what it is. Picture your life like a foggy mirror after a shower. You think you're seeing your reflection, but it's distorted. Every loop, late night binge, ghosting people, quitting early is just some steam clouding the glass. Quitting weed, cutting booze, journaling your triggers, that's the hand wiping the mirror. Only then do you see what's actually there in front of you. If you stay blind to the loops, you're going to live the same month over and over again, just with different people, different excuses, different screenshots. But if you catch the loop, even one time, now you've got leverage. You realize, oh, I'm not broken, I'm repeating. That shift alone gives you the room to move. And look, it makes sense that you didn't see it before, right? Memory lies. It edits the story every time you recall it. Your friends, they're often running the same loop, so they can't call yours out without admitting their own. And then let's be honest, loneliness hits hard. Sometimes it feels easier to stay foggy with the same friends than clear by yourself. So if you've been stuck, it doesn't mean you're dumb, you're normal. Here's the move. Start a pattern ledger. Super simple, 5 lines, 5 minutes. Next time you catch yourself in the loop, write this down. Number 1, trigger. What set it off? Behavior. What you did. Payoff. What you got from it. Cost. What it stole from you. Better move, one tiny change next time. That's it. 5 lines, 1 page. The win, you go from something's wrong with me to this is just a loop and I can name it. That shift alone will calm your nervous system down. It's 11 p.m., you've had 2 beers, you're scrolling Zillow or Tinder, telling yourself tomorrow you'll finally get serious. Same 11 p.m., you grab your phone, write down trigger, stressed, behavior, beer and scroll, payoff, numb, cost, time and sleep, better move, 10 push-ups. Then you shut the light off, simple, it's not sexy, but it's different and you'll feel it. When you're ready, add people. 1 friend, 1 coach, 1 group who won't let you run the same tape unchallenged. Don't overthink it. Just pick 1 person this week and ask, if you see me repeating something dumb, can you call me out on it? That alone starts building the clear mirrors that you need. For years, I thought it was laziness or a lack of talent, but it wasn't. It was repetition. And once I started writing them down and building mirrors, things shifted. And I want that shift for you. So, here's your choice. Keep blaming yourself for not being disciplined, or grab 1 notebook page, run the 5-line pattern ledger tonight and prove to yourself that it's really just a loop. Do that once and you'll feel the win. Do it for 30 days and you're going to start wiping the mirror clean. You don't need to find yourself. What you need is to spot the loop and cut it.